YouTube, gonna be reviewing this gun. Alright, I guess let me get the intro coming in. So everybody, hit the like button, make sure you guys subscribe. You got a question, you got a goddamn comment, you got a goddamn concern, leave it in the comment section. That's all I got to say. And make sure you hit the notification button so that way y'all know when they get y'all alerted when my videos get uploaded. Alright, so I'm going to be reviewing this cool gun. Right here is a Matco. Matco tools, of course, is brushless. And it's brushless. Want to know why I know it's brushless? Because the shit is written on the fucking side so you can't miss. So, just looking at the gun overall, I mean, I'm trying to figure out what to make of this. It looks good. It really looks good. Size-wise, compared to my Snap-on one. Let me show you. And we're gonna do some little display, a little run too. Cause I told him I could take off lug nuts on certain cars with this Snap-on 3/8 gun. Now, if you compare apples to apples, look at both of them. It's kind of similar, maybe not a little bit. Of course, this is taller than this one, but we're gonna put this one down, focus on this. So the model number, I think on this is VGT 356-218. I could be wrong, either way, I'll correct it myself in the description. But overall, the housing of this gun, let me take the battery off. It's not heavy compared to the Snap-on one. Actually, put the battery back in, so that way I can get a good feel for it. So, weight, but it weigh close to the same. I can't even say which one weigh more. Maybe this one slightly, either way, it feels the same to me. Any other characteristic features on this? Well, I said it's brushless. Of course, you got your lithium battery. It is a 16 volt, lithium battery, Li-ion or whatever they call it. I ain't no battery expert or specialist and shit, so I'm just reading the shit back to you. So 16 volts. This one, Snap-on, this one's a lithium. Lithium ion. Actually, Li-ion is lithium ion. I think I'm just slow. I'm just fucking retarded. But both lithium ion. This is a 14 volt and this is a 16. You can hear the way this operates. Listen. That's at full speed going forward. Backwards. Of course, it'll always be slower going backwards. But forward. Now, you hear how I got to build up for like just a fraction of a second. Like, this gun sounds like it could be stronger, but I don't know. This one probably packs a mean fucking punch, but only way to figure out is I demonstrate it. Of course I will. Gonna find something to take off and shit. But overall, looks like a good gun. Comes with a light. Well, I mean, what electric impact don't come with a light? The light is pretty bright. I'm gonna try to not to focus on the screen, but you guys can see it. Man, it's really bright. What else? It's fresh, looks durable, looks like it could take a beating. The housing of it is kind of like plasticky a little bit, so if it, of course you will be subject to get like scratches and shit on it, but that comes with using tools, of course. So let's open up, let's put this below here. And this is the carrying case, comes with, Snap-on got a nice carrying case. I don't know where my carrying case is. I think it's somewhere inside my box. I gotta look for it. Or, no, my bag. Dre got my carrying bag and didn't give it back. God damn it. Dre got my carrying bag for my Snap-on bag, but Snap-on always give away stuff when you buy products like impact guns. So, it is what it is. I have another one somewhere, but I got other stuff. So, it comes with a carrying case. The Infinium, I don't know what that is. It's something new, whatever. Maybe some type of brand or something they doing. I don't know what it is. That's what's written on the fucking case. And that's what's written on the fucking gun and shit. So, opening up the case. Inside, I'm gonna talk a little louder. Inside comes with like your directions, of course. Warranty information and all of that. Well, the specifications and the manual pretty much. I don't know what I said directions for and all of that. Comes with another battery, so you get 2 batteries with this gun. Comes with a charger and your charging cable. So the good thing about this too, of course, well, every charger always have like an indicator to let you know when it is charged, when it's complete, when it failed, like when the battery is bad or when the charging unit itself is bad. So kind of like a self-diagnostic thing a little bit. This on a gun, the battery, well, each battery got a indicator on there to let you know the battery status. So if you hit the button like this, let you know that where the battery is. This one got 2 bars, so it's probably on its way out pretty soon. But I'm gonna go ahead and swap this one over because I'm gonna demonstrate it and I'm gonna use it. What's a core review like this without me demonstrating tools? I really like Matco tools. I got more Matco tools than like Snap-on stuff or whatever, but most of my stuff I got like from Matco, just cheaper of course. May not look pretty all the time like Snap-on go all out for looks and shit, but Matco I like Matco. I don't have no problems with Matco. So check the status on this. Well, this one, hold on, both of them at you didn't charge your gun. So let's test it out on 2 bars, 2 out of 4 bars, and I'm gonna find something to take off. I told him that I can remove a lug nut off of a car with my 3/8 Snap-on gun. Now I'm not giving Snap-on play or nothing like that. I'm just doing apples to apples comparing. Maybe I'll try it. I don't know. I think maybe I should. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a deep 19 chrome. Of course, I don't have any 3/8 impact or whatever. I do, but they're shallow and not deep. So I'm gonna deep chrome 19, and I'm gonna attempt to take off a lug nut off of this Malibu right here. And of course, I'll torque the wheel when I'm done with a torque bar and all of that crap. So I can't trust the guns and all of that. Whatever. So just sit tight and let me finish demonstrating this gun. All right. So I'm at the wheel, and I'm gonna start off with the Matco gun first. Got my deep 19 chrome. I know.
You shouldn't use the chrome socket and taking out permanent impact.
Shut up! It's my goddamn video, my goddamn tools. And this is Craftsman, by the way. I had this chrome socket for like almost 10 years. So, mind your business. Mind you, I did not touch anything. I did not crack it free or nothing like that. I don't want y'all to think I'm cheating. I'm doing a review and I'm making sure the gun is right. So, bam, hit the button to go for reverse, take it off. Wow, you hear that? Let me do another lug nut just to see. Here, hold on, let me do it again. Hold on. It killed the power when I was trying to take it off, and I guess too much resistance build up or something like that. It shut off the power on me. Unlike my Snap-on gun, it keeps on drilling no matter what. So let me do it again to show y'all. Oh, it got it off, finally. So let's try to take, I guess, when you really sit there and go at it for a few seconds, it'll come off. So let's try again. But it did when I guess, like I said, resistance built up, it killed the power on me. Not killed like K-I-L-L-E-D. I'm talking about killed, like K-I-L-T, killed. All right, so that's my goddamn ebonics for you and shit. Now, you just learned something. Now, I'm gonna hit it again. It got it off, so that's 2 lug nuts. Let's see if I can get one more off. See, it killed the power on me. It's like some type of protection. I actually like that feature. Kind of a little bit. So, all right, let's put these back on. All right, so it goes back on. All right, so I'm only going to take off one with the Snap-on because I took off this one, and this one, and in a triangular pattern. I'm going to take off this one. You know, I'm going to hit it with a torque stick and all that stuff. Just shut up. I'm going to make sure the wheels are secure. So I'm going to try the Snap-on 3/8 gun, and see if that one comes off. Hold hold up. Ho, something ain't right.
Is the gun not working,
Ho,
son?
ho. Whoa, make a snap-on look bad. Hold up. I mean, I had this gun for like 3 years though, but this gun is like really strong. I can still take off wheels, but this ain't working.
It ain't buzzing.
This ain't doing nothing. Let's try the Matco one. Let's just see. This is pretty light though.
Let me tell you the genius to do
See, it kills the power when too much resistance builds up.
What's your half-inch gun called a day, man? For shit
You
like
shouldn't
that?
listen. Overall, you shouldn't be taking off wheels with 3/8 electric
get you a
impact gun
half-inch
anyway, because
joint,
it's not
man.
enough supporting torque. So it's best to use air tools.
Is that,
That's
listen, it don't-
Like use a Walmart
Of course, we use the Harbor
it ain't,
Freight.
that's the Harbor Freight. It's not the one.
I reviewed this. This review actually did good. Let's just take it off. I need a 19, so let's just put this down. Let's worry about it. So, apples to apples.
Listen, well, how much is that? That shit like 230, right?
What? Hey, Mike.
That shit like 240.
I want to figure out the price for this. I'll leave it on as a text on the screen. I forget my buddy Mike. This is his gun. I'm reviewing it. If he wanted me to review it, so I'm reviewing it for him. So you're gonna let me know how much it is. I'll leave it in the text on the screen or whatever. So you guys leave me your thoughts, opinions, all of that. So the two guns side by side, apples to apples. Which one is better? I mean, this gun is it's older, but this gun still got hell of a lot of kick to it. Mike, how much you paid for this gun?
$469.
He paid $469 for this gun. When I got this gun, I paid about $450, $460 for this, and this came with 2 batteries in the case and the charger and all of that. But which is which? I mean, you guys got your own. You like what you like. I mean, I'm gonna go with the Matco one. This one's the shit. All right, this one's the shit. I like this better. Harbor Freight's got a version. You can try that. Maybe one day I'll try to seek to doing a review for that shit. But let me try it again, man, because this shit fucking with me. Like, hold on, let me. Mind you, this is on a full battery. I swapped it. The bars were up. This is on I got 2 out of 4 dots. So this one's a killer. So end of the review. That's that. Now you know not to buy this gun. You're probably going to want a brushless one. So I don't know if this is brushless or not. I really don't care if it's brushless or got a brush. I don't care. I just care if it works or not. So I'm Leekautorepair. You guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys would like any more goddamn reviews, do let me know. Do let me know if you want me to do a review. Hit the subscribe button.